Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from NY Detective. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a disturbance call aboard a Spirit Airlines flight quickly pulls officers into a tense airport encounter where emotions are already running high before anyone even makes contact. Pay attention to how fast the situation shifts once officers begin trying to get control of the passenger inside one of the busiest parts of the airport. The breakdown starts now.
Okay, well, somebody leaving on the plane?
Yes, sir. So
Okay, let's see what's going on here. Looks like someone from the flight is coming out to explain what led up to all this.
this is here, but she was actually caught vaping twice in the flight. She's asked to stop. She wouldn't stop. She took the vape. Then she was cursing belligerently, calling a lot of indecent language. Almost the first half of the flight, she kept on out of control. We had to separate her from the net passengers traveling with and move all the guests around her to the front to avoid. She almost got into a fist fight with another passenger. She was just belligerent.
All right, officers are about to make contact with the passenger here. Let's see how this conversation starts off.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Genesis? I didn't do anything at all.
All right, now the emotions are starting to take over here, and you can already hear her shifting into defense mode almost immediately.
That's not even the thing. No, I didn't do anything. I didn't talk to nobody.
Watch this right here. Officers are still trying to talk things through, but once she keeps walking away instead of stopping, you can see they're about to step in and take control of the situation.
Hey, you can stop.
I didn't hit anybody. Shut up. Shut up. I have lawyers. Are you stupid or are you dumb?
Talk to you though.
No, I don't care. No. What the f? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I have lawyers. Are you dumb? All right.
Now you're going to jail.
Now I'm going to jail.
Yep.
For what?
The encounter ultimately ended with the woman being taken into custody after officers determined the situation inside the airport had escalated beyond a routine disturbance. Authorities later confirmed she was charged with disorderly intoxication connected to the incident. Moments like this show how quickly public encounters can become difficult to manage once emotions and disruptions start affecting the people around them. How do you think this situation was handled? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.